Hello guys, this week got something fun. Today we're playing Don't Press the Button 4. We're also playing on this.
Knowledge.
Yeah, graduated.
Knowledge.
Graduation. And knowledge. I'm so smart. Oh, I actually get to keep that. Ah! What just happened? Immediately everybody died. Everybody died. What's wrong with this game? Immediately. Why is there a furry here? That was impossible. Impossible! Ah! Get on. Oh, too bad for the people who didn't. What? Oh. Huh? Go to the door.
Knock knock! Who's there? That door! Knock knock! Who's there? That door!
It's not doing anything except.
Knock knock!
That was. Oh! Get your team to the end to win. Oh! No, don't roll off the edge. No! So there's
No.
Oh my god, no! It's got here. So what? That's impressive. Big brain time. Big gamer! Feed the giant dude. I'm making a video. Ah! My big brain. What can we find in the shop for 10 coins? Launch Christmas presents. Heavy damage. Yeah, that's how it'd be presented. Oh, mining distributor. Just take this straight down. Every Minecraft person can do that. Underground, yeah. Where is it? That wasn't fair. I wasn't anywhere near there. Quickly, get to the top. Sure. Thank everything existing that you cannot actually touch the characters. Because if we did, it would all be weird. None of us would have gone up here. How much coins is that? Oh! Watch out! Sky Wiki has a bomb! Escape the burning building? Oh no! Where's the fire though? Oh, there's... Fire! Oh! I think, no, it's supposed to go down. Yeah, wait, go down. Oh! God! Oh. I have no idea what to do. Watch out for the raining bombs. Hello, Bob. Roll Boom! Yeah, destroy the wall. Roll of the edge, stupid bomb. Hey! Showering! Showering ball! Just dropping giant bombs on us. There's actually a lot now! I'm missing this. Yay! That was pretty easy. Catch me! Do. Try and catch me with this super speed. Imagine they had to hold E. Yay! Stop the other valve. Stop the fire already. Valve. Stop it! Stop the fire! Stop burning! Stop it! Fire. Fire's down. Oh! Fire! Yay! The next one. Aliens? Ah! I'm gonna die. I don't know what to do. Pick me up again. Oh. Okay, don't fall in the lava. Oh! Oh no. Go here. No! Oh no, go here. Ah! No! Go here. Whoa, fell in the lava. Ah! Wait, why can't I move? Oh no! My character's one was uncontrollable. I could have won. They could just, people who have this could just cheat and fly over. Ooh! That would be pretty good. And party! Don't touch the Purple. Oh my god. Don't touch the purple liquid stuff. Ugh. Oh. Oh my gosh. Yay! Yeah. Money, money. Where? Reach the top. No! Oh my god. Ah! Big stairs. Oh my. Whoa! Ah! Ah! Whoa! That was a bit too close. Ah! Oh, ah! Oh! I think there's a game about this. Where you try to avoid the obstacles. Ah! All because of that stupid chocolate bar. Eh.
It's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life. It's a banana next to a banana.
Why are we all bananas? Get to the water. Where's the water? Oh my. Oh! I almost died. Look how low I am. Banana Empire! Ah! No! Well. choose a side. Let's do yellow for banana. Banana yellow! No! Banana betrayed me. Sweets is bad for you. Why do you want us go to collect them? Bad for you. Donuts. Where are the donuts? Chocolate. Giant potatoes. Find the correct pad. No. Where is it? There is no correct pad. Get to the other side. That should be pretty easy for them. Hey! Cheater! Cheater! Furry cheated. Yay. Whoa! Oh. Just giant. Where is it there? Push it off. Push it off. There. Be careful there. Oh yeah. Hey, I want to stay as a big person. I really was. Ooh. Yes. No. Yes, I did it. Let's go. Stay big now, yay! Come on, Spring. Spring crap. Come on, you. Come on, you. 3. Oh. I'm still giant. Get ready. Snowball fight. Oh my, I lost my enormous size. Why? sad now. So sad. Grappling! Grappling! Jetpack! 60 damage. On your marks. Go and go. Yay. Watch out, there's a giant boulder! Let's push off it. Ah! Stupid furry. Reach the other side. Okay. Yeah, but no! No! Oh no! 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 Yeah. Destroy the wall. Push it into. Me. Are you lucky or unlucky? I don't know. Knock on the door. This isn't Halloween. It's a bad idea. Can we go in your house? Oh, I guess not. Oh! Ha! Oh, I lost my candy. Ha! Get to the finish line. Let's go. Wee! 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 Of course, they're gonna go first. Push it off. Push it. Ah! No, 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 no! So one. What? What's up with the snowbirds? Snowbirds? Where are the snowbirds? Where are the snow? Where do they come from? Oh, they're just small, so they know. Snowballs ain't good enough to kill me. Let me just eat down. Ah. Ooh. Yeah, vacation. Enjoying your day, Billy? Destroy the walls! Destroy! love drinking out of my nose. Ah! I love drinking out of my nose. I love drinking out of my nose. It's not even in my nose. Just pouring the water in my face. Oh. Get the wall. Quick, get. Yeah. Yay. Ready to fight with random gears. I got giants. Ah! What are we kidding me? I lost my drink. Why? Ah! What can I buy with 200 gold? Absolutely. Oh. Oh yeah, I wanna get birds at the end of the video. Ooh. Get on! Oh. Yeah, man. Wait, what blue is that? What blue? No!
Look, Scarlet is black. It's black. It's black, guys. It's black.
I'll be chill with the bacons. Joy. No! 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 We lost one. Oh. God. Oh. Oh! My hair. Ooh, I can get a... Ah! Ah! Oh! Yeah. Rob. Whoa! Do we have to try to get out? Oh yeah. I have to try to escape now. I thought I died. Yes, I won. Anyways, guys, that's the end. Ow! Anyways, guys, that's the end of the... Why? Get clear. Wow, when will this end? Anyways, guys, that's the end of the... Okay, guys, that's the end of the video.